In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller won't connect, sync, or pair to your Switch 2. So in order to do this, you'll need a first controller, and your Switch 2 will have to be in the dock. Then you want to go to System Settings and scroll down to System, and you want to make sure your Switch 2 is up to date with the latest system software, and you also want to ensure that your dock is up to date. Then what you want to do is go up to your Switch 2 and press and hold the power button on the top. And after holding it for a few seconds, you'll see power options appear, and you want to restart your console. So after your console's restarted, plug in the USB cable that would have came with your Switch 2 Pro controller, and plug it into your dock and then into your controller. Then all you need to do is simply press any button, and your controller should connect. Now, if that didn't work, try pressing the sync button once, which will reset it, and then press the button again and see if it works. If that doesn't work either, navigate to controllers on the home menu with your first controller, then go to change grip/order, and with your Pro controller, press and hold the sync button until it enters pairing mode and see if it appears and connects. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.